With the current media attention that Bitcoin has been getting, I have noticed a lot of people rushing into crypto without understanding the subject. This behavior largely is motivated by greed and the fear of missing out. I thought I'd make this video to educate people on the right way to invest. In the crypto community, we have realized that ill-informed investors are bad for the short-term price action of Bitcoin, and as such, we'd much rather not have these kind of investors. Bitcoin will go up in value regardless of the number of people entering, because Bitcoin has been designed like that. Now, this investment strategy, according to my opinion, is the only strategy that has worked for me since 2017. Every other harebrained strategy that I've tried, unfortunately, has failed miserably for me. But before I, get into the strategy, there are a few things that you have to do. Before you go on a buying spree, do your own research. Find out what drove Satoshi Nakamoto to invent blockchain and what role Bitcoin plays in it. What drew me initially to crypto was the technology, and crypto profits were just an added bonus. There are many videos and articles that you can find online. Personally, I watched this documentary, Banking on Bitcoin. Understanding the technology that is blockchain and what problems it can solve is the most important thing to understand. Remember, anything in this world has value only if it solves a problem or caters to a need. So by that logic, if you feel that blockchain does not solve a problem, then crypto is not for you. Bitcoin is not a get rich quick scheme. In fact, there are no activities in this world that can generate wealth without some effort and time invested in it. Robbing a bank is the closest get rich quick scheme that I can think of. But that also requires planning, effort and time, mind you. Bitcoin is not a short-term investment. Bitcoin is a long-term investment. I got into crypto and Bitcoin in 2017. Trust me, since then I have seen many people come and go at the same speed that they entered. What can you expect from Bitcoin, right, as an asset class? Is it has higher returns than either the stock markets or even gold. Bitcoin has given an average of 200% gains per annum for the last 10 years. Bitcoin does one thing well, and that is the job of being a great store of value. Bitcoin is a highly volatile asset. It can go up by 80% or go down by 80%. The value of Bitcoin is much like most assets or even commodities for that matter. It is driven by demand and supply. However, Bitcoin is designed in such a way that its value will only increase as more and more people want to own Bitcoin. Have a long-term investment goal. Never invest without that. Use a method called dollar cost averaging. Bitcoin is a volatile asset. It is impossible to predict if the price will go up or come down in the short term. Buy only when the price is low and it is not at its all-time high. People who have made the highest gains have bought Bitcoin after the market has crashed. Do not buy when someone gives you a tip. Always do your own research and take your decisions basis your financial goals and stick to the plan. Do not FOMO into a buy, because trust me, the price always comes down before it goes up again. Coming to investment mistakes to avoid. Do not take a loan to buy Bitcoin. Do not sell your home, vehicle or valuables to buy Bitcoin. Never ever forget the golden rule. Only invest what you can afford to lose.